Sara, and I'm the STEAM educator at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Today, we are going to think like artists, engineers, and also pirates. So if you're an artist or you're an engineer, when you're creating art or a sturdy structure as an engineer, you have to plan, you have to build, and sometimes you have to fail. But that's okay. You learn from your mistakes and you can make something even greater. So now I want you to think like a pirate. I want you to think about all of the things in your house that you could use as treasure. Let's think of something small, maybe like a button, a bead. What about a googly eye or a coin? I want you to think about different things that you have in your house, and we're going to create a structure that's sturdy, that's beautiful, and that can also hold your treasure. All right, so think about some things that you have around your house. We're gonna go for a search of these things, and we're gonna meet back here. I'll see you then. The small treasures that I was able to find around my house were some beads, some buttons, some coins, and some star foam stickers. Your challenge today is to create a treasure chest that can only be made out of paper, tape, and scissors. So I chose some thick scrapbook paper, some cardstock, and some printer paper. I also have my scissors and my packaging tape. You can use different paper or different tape if you choose. Remember, I'm only using paper, tape, and scissors. So I start off with my scrapbook paper because it's really thick and it's also sparkly, so it looks really cool. Now I'm taping it together and I'm kind of making a base for my treasure chest. To make sure the base is nice and sturdy, I'm adding lots of packaging tape to the corners. See how I'm making sure that I'm filling in all of my spaces. Now I'm measuring a piece of cardstock to fit into the bottom of my treasure chest. I think this will make my treasure chest a little more sturdy and it will be able to hold my treasure. Finally, I'm making a lid for my treasure chest just to make sure my treasure stays inside. But I run into a little bit of a problem.
The tape doesn't stick to the sparkles.
However, I persevere and I just add tape to the inside, making sure that the packaging tape is stuck to the cardstock where there are no sparkles. Now I'm folding the lid to make sure it fits around my treasure chest. Okay, so I have created my treasure chest. It is a box with a lid. The lid doesn't close that well, but it still has a lid. All right, so I'm gonna take my treasures. I have beads, coins, some foam stickers, and some buttons. And I'm gonna put them all inside my treasure chest. All right, now I'm going to see if I can pick it up and all of my treasures stay inside. Are you ready? Yay, everything stayed inside. However, let's see, if I turn it upside down. It might not last on the salty seas. So please share your treasure boxes with us. Show us what kind of paper you used, what kind of tape you used. Show us on our Facebook or on our Instagram. And we would love to see pictures and comments and posts on the treasure box you made. And hopefully yours will be able to withstand the salty seas and you can turn it upside down and it will work. Thank you. We'll see you later. Bye.